Hello there! Are you worried about the damaged flagpole? No worries! Please visit our website at www.nycflagrepair.com or call 718-374-5175. We are equipped with bucket trucks to get your job done as fast and as safely as possible. We also work on custom flag repair such as flagpole re-rope, foundation repair, flag replacement, and flagpole repair. If you are looking for custom banner printing, custom flag and banner, bucket truck rental, or flagpole climbing, so keep in touch with NYC Flag Repair.